ọmọ Yorùbá mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ káàrọ̀ oòjíire nílé lóko lájò níbikíbi tẹ́ ẹ bá ti ń wò mí. Orí kan ní BMI TV show òun náà ni ẹ ti ń wò wá. Kò ní sú wa bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò ní rẹ̀ wá. Ọmọ Yorùbá mo bẹ̀ yín ni mo rọ̀ yín ni ẹ bá ń pín ètò yìí kó lọ dáadáa. Ohun tí mo tún mú wá fún wa láàárọ̀ yìí mo fẹ́ kí a jọ farabalẹ̀ ká jọ gbọ́. Tí a bá gbàgbé àwọn tí wọ́n fẹ́ gbàjọba lọ́wọ́ bàbá Tinubu nìkan bí ọdún kan sẹ́yìn, tẹ́ ẹ bá gbàgbé, ní ìsìn wọ́n ti ṣáàṣì wọn sí kóòtù. Ẹ̀sùn mọ́bí kẹ́ wá gbọ́ ẹ̀sùn tí wọ́n kà sí wọn lẹ́sẹ̀ lórí ìtìtẹ̀gbàjọba tí wọ́n fẹ́ gbà lọ́wọ́ bàbá wa Bọ́lá Ahmed ọmọ Tinubu. Ó ní nǹkan tí mo mú wá fún aláàárọ̀ yìí. Mo fẹ́ kí a jọ fìdílé nǹkan kí a jọ farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ ẹ̀sùn tí wọ́n kà sí wọn lẹ́sẹ̀. Ọmọ Yorùbá ṣe ti rí àníṣe ọwọ́ ti bà wọ́n. Ara tí wọ́n fi wá dá tẹ́lẹ̀ tí wọ́n rò bọ́yá àgọ́ ni ẹ wá wò, ara yẹn náà làwa náà fi wọ́n ń dá báyìí. Ara yẹn òun làwa náà là ń fi wọ́n ń dá báyìí. Àwa náà làdún dájọ́ fún wọn báyìí. Tẹ́ ẹ bá wá gbọ́ gbogbo àwọn tó fẹ́ tìjẹ̀ gbàjọba lọ́wọ́ bàbá Tinubu, gbogbo wọn pátá Fúlàní, gbogbo wọn pátá Fúlàní, gbogbo wọn pátá lọ́wọ́délẹ̀. Kò sí Yorùbá kan nu wọn, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò sí Ìgbò kan nu wọn. Láti òkè tilẹ̀ Fúlàní gbogbo wọn. Ọmọ Yorùbá ṣe ẹ ti rí ọlẹ́tìkẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí a farabalẹ̀ kí a mọ̀ gbọ̀lọ̀. Ẹ ṣe.
Former governor of Bayelsa State, Chief Kiri was alleged to be the financier of that coup, and he is said to be at large. That means he is on the run. Now, the next one is Major General Muhammad Ibrahim Ghana, Inspector Ahmed Ibrahim, Zekari Moru, Bukar Kashim Beni, and Abdulkadir Sani on a 13-count charge. The accused are alleged to have plotted to levy war.
Ẹ̀sùn 13 ni wọ́n kà sí wọn lẹ́sẹ̀.
Against the federal.
Ẹ̀sùn 13 ni wọ́n kà sí wọn lẹ́sẹ̀. Mo fẹ́ kájọ farabalẹ̀ gbọ́wẹ̀ dáadáa ni o. Wọ́n wá bẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìyá mi tẹ́ ń wò mí àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin olùfẹ́ BMI TV show. Mo fẹ́ kájọ farabalẹ̀ kájọ gbọ́wọ̀ yìí. Nǹkan táwọn náà bá rí nínú ọ̀rọ̀ náà ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ sábẹ́ comment. Káyé lábẹ́ comment yín ṣe gbọ́ ẹ ṣe ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ.
Republic of Nigeria to overthrow President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The alleged offence is said to be contrary to the and punishable under Section 37 subsection 2 of the Criminal Code. The alleged coup plotters are scheduled to be arraigned on the 22nd of April before Justice Joyce Abdulmalik of the Federal High Court, Abuja. The charge was filed by the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation and signed by the Director of Public Prosecution of the Federation, Rotimi Oyedepo, SAN. Southerners are the ones prosecuting Northerners for planning or attempting a coup at a Southern president. If you don't like the way I'm putting it, I'm saying Southerners are the ones prosecuting Northerners because they wanted to plan a coup to overthrow and kill the coup and kill a Southern president. Now the question is, why do these Northerners want to overthrow President Tinubu? Why did they not suggest overthrowing Buhari? Why that failed woefully? You see, the APC will not come out openly and say Buhari failed woefully. We all knew that Buhari failed. Yes, Buhari took us like 100 steps backward. But these same Northerners, these same military guys, they did not reason that, okay, we need to overthrow Buhari. But when it comes to a Southern president, that's why you see them, they gather themselves together. Thank God for the appointees of the president. That Calabar man that leaked the plots. You see, NSA was there, Ribadi was there, Ribadi Idajọ, the National Security Advisor is the organ of all of them, organ of Chief of Army Staff. Oga Chief of Defense Staff, Air Force, Navy. But that one, in terms of intelligence, defense and intelligence, was the one that leaked the coup plot, unknown to the knowledge of the NSA that was calling Boko Haram his brothers. You see, when I talk about Southern Nigeria coming together, we don't understand a lot of things. Just recently, we have a report that Turkey is to establish a military base in Nigeria, courtesy of Matawali. Hello, Turkey that brought in ammunition for terrorists in Nigeria. Turkey that is sponsoring terrorists, according to reports. Turkey that is a well-known sponsor of terrorism in the world. An Islamic country pushing Islamic agenda through religious extremism is coming to build a military base in Nigeria, courtesy of Matawali. You see, these Northerners, when they have the opportunity to be in position, they use it to drive their agenda. Now we wait for the South. Now we don't even sabi how to use agenda. That's why I said, you see, it is good that Southerners are the one prosecuting Northerners because they want to carry out a coup against a Southern president. We have said it many times. It is beyond P2B joining the ADC, joining Atiku and Co. because they want to become president. It is beyond all this. There are a lot of things that are happening. Me, I don't like Tinubu. Somebody say I'm wearing a Yoruba cap. One Nigeria now. They are not speaking of one Nigeria. I don't like Tinubu, but I like that we should survive. We should survive the onslaught, the agenda of the Fulani in Nigeria. And how can we do it? Is when we align together, come together. Tinubu came into power and started approaching the Yorubas. People were attacking him. You see, Nigeria political field, Nigeria politics, you need to carry out some actions that are strange so that you can be able to defeat the Fulani. You don't do the conventional dialogue, you do this one, follow due process. If you want to defeat the Fulani, you don't follow due process. Tinubu proved to the Fulani that he was strong. He did not show any sign of weakness. That is why they cannot enter him. Tinubu is not Jonathan. Tinubu is not Obasanjo. There is no Southern president that could pull the stunts that Tinubu has pulled. For the Fulani, there is no Southern president. Tinubu did not show any sign of weakness. He showed sign of strength. He told them before their faces, he locked up L5. Now there's a report that L5 will be in custody till after June before they hear anything. We are in April. Imagine April, May, June. When I told some people that the plan is to make sure that they release L5 after the elections, it does not really mean that okay, they must release him. The plan, because they say L5, he get mouth, he get TV, he talk, he will cause wahala. So they have to silence him. That is politics in Nigeria. My brother, you want to kill yourself. You want to kill yourself. Politics. I told some people at the bus stop, I told them that politics is you being able to share 5 mangoes amongst 7 people equally. Politics is you being able to share 5 mangoes amongst 7 people equally. How do you share it? How do you able to share equally? That is politics. Politics is complicated. There are some compromises you do in order to achieve your aim, especially in a country like Nigeria, whereby Fulani get their own way. People take their own way. You get their own way. How do you please everybody? It is better you take a stand, show strength, tell every other person that this is where I'm headed to. You know, local Nigeria, if you want to align politically with local Nigeria, they will tell you say local interest first. If you are not coming for local interest, we are not interested in anything you are doing. They show you that we have the members, we have our own personal demands. If you are going to align with us, they are showing you strength. So when people came in, he approached Yorubas everywhere. In the whole of Nigeria, Yorubas are everywhere. His eyes and ears. He appointed people that he could trust. If he was to be doing Southern, okay, Igbo, this, he appointed people that he could trust so that he can be able to push and prove a point to the Fulani. If we have Northern army officers, like generally, the way they bully Jonathan, he cannot hear Jirika. After they come here, they come mess them up. Tinubu learned from that. He appointed his own people.
Yes.
So after Lagbaja died, they thought that okay, Lagbaja don't die, we don't teach a lesson. He appointed another Yoruba man. Okay, from north, he appointed Yoruba from north. To me, it is not. He was doing it before their faces. Yes. He doesn't send them.
Send them.
We are not here to start having to say, let us, we don't show any sign of weakness with Fulani. If you show sign of weakness, that is when they capitalize on that and deal with you. The Fulani, they don't joke with political power. How do you bring down a strong man? You show strength. You show strength. You show that you are capable of bringing him down. They will not strategize on how to bring him down. He appointed the black people. The North were shocked. What? Who does that? Who is challenging us? Tinubu did not come on the ship of any Baba or any Kaba. Tinubu came as he told them, I am the president. You know what about Tinubu is that he tells them to the face. See, I'm a politician, I've said it. I'm a politician. If you don't understand Nigerian politics, like that, you will just kill yourself. You just bless yourself. If you don't, you will cry morning and night if you don't understand Nigerian politics. When I talk about Tinubu and dealing with the Fulanis, I'm talking about how to remove the obstacle from us restructuring Nigeria. One Nigeria cannot work. The Yorubas know that one Nigeria cannot work. The Igbos know that one Nigeria cannot work. The Kalabari, the Ibibio, the Idajọ people, they know that one Nigeria cannot work. If it is possible, we can do away with one Nigeria in the south. But you see the Fulani, never ever will they agree with you. That's why their people have been saying the unity of Nigeria is non-negotiable. Unity of Nigeria. They use Hausa people, they carry our resources. They use Hausa people, they capture the political structure of Nigeria. Unity of Nigeria is non-negotiable. So as it is, I know the death penalty or life imprisonment will be given to those people that wanted to overthrow the government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I don't expect anything short of that. Nobody is afraid of anybody. You know, say every thought that okay, I'm Jadiba in the north. Tinubu cannot. He came. They arrest him. Arrest him. Put up yourself. So we are talking anyhow. You see. Some people were afraid. Oh, Tinubu they deal with this guy. See Malami, Attorney General of the Federation, was powerful under Buhari's regime. They play with him. They see this house. They see that house only for my time. They see that. They're just frustrating him. And it is the handwork of Tinubu. Or I forget that thing. Now Tinubu they run out. Look at what Gbajọba was telling that Abejide. He said, fight, scatter them. Fight for your party. Now Tinubu they run all those things. Tinubu told Akpabio, you will help me go scatter them. Although the nephew Ballad will be national convention was a joke, did not happen today. See, politics is politics. You fail some, you win some. Yes. You fail, you agree, say you fail. You build a game so that you can win. That is politics. Yes. It is not coming here to start showing emotions. Somebody said, Christian, I now know that you are fully Tinubu boy. I cannot be Tinubu boy. If you really understand what I'm saying, I cannot be Tinubu boy. I'm telling you reality. I'm following individual. What can you do? What is needed now? And what can you do? That's what I'm following. I've said that if Tinubu does not restore Nigeria, you know, say APC, the ADC, all these politicians, they don't know how to criticize or critique. I'm not bragging or saying anything. I said I've stayed with the Yorubas. I've worked with veterans. I've studied the patterns. You know, when it comes to activism, the Yorubas carry first. When it comes to banter, normal Yoruba, they yab you. Now play, they yab you. They yab your mama, yab your papa. It is play. But an Igbo man might take it serious. It's a normal thing. So they know how to use those to rile you up. If Tinubu does not restructure the country, it is their loss. I have a lot of things to say about the APC currently. I'm even wondering why is it that the ADC is not capitalizing on some of the things, the shortcomings of President Tinubu to even criticize him and also carry the people along. They are busy looking for it is obedient, it is Kwankwaso, the red cap people, it is Atiku. I'm not going to be vice president to anybody. I want to be president. They are just busy there running around. Time they go. Time they go. We are waiting for the primaries. We have said it. I can't be emotional with anybody. I know already. That is why I don't waste my time. That Obi will not be giving that ticket. And perhaps because I cannot be perfect, I cannot be correct all the time. Perhaps they give Obi that ticket. The North will not naturally support P2B. Naturally, they will not support P2B. I've said it. I'll repeat it again and again and again. So that one is a deadlock. I've advised P2B and the rest. Imagine northern Nigeria planning a coup. And the Yorubas are not really putting it on their face. Imagine northern Nigeria planning a coup. And the Yorubas are not putting it on their face that you people wanted to plan a coup. You know what I now learned? I learned there's a way you deal with some particular set of people. There's a way you deal with them. You don't just do grab with them. You see, even Tinubu is very careful with what he's doing. There are some lines that Tinubu will cross. The North will revolt. They will not care again. But Tinubu is careful with what he's doing. And he's dealing with them. You know, the Fulani does not want Nigeria to divide. So those was another chain that Tinubu used to hold them down. They don't want like any no, they don't want. They know that the Igbos are on standby. This country, we are tired. Me, I want Nigeria to divide. Let me tell you now. Restructuring from restructuring, state control, regionalism, then you can decide to divide.
Yes.
If you have regionalism.
That's what you want.
And it will be in a fashion and manner that nobody can stop it. But when we get to that point of regionalism, it will be in a fashion and manner that nobody can stop it.
Yes.
So look at the position of the North. Look at the position of the South. Consciously or unconsciously, you see that we are not on the same page. We cannot even align together. The Southwest deceived the North alone. I wish somebody can hear me from the back. If you are the back, can you hear me? The Southwest played the North game. They gamed them to get to power. If the Southwest were doing stable manners, let's recognize stable manners. The North will not even allow them to get close to power. Tinubu played them streets. Tinubu brought a lot of that guy. Tinubu should be studied politically. If you don't understand politics and good governance, you can differentiate it. Politically, you need to study Tinubu. How is he able? He's not so convincing the way he looks, the way he talks. He's not so convincing. But how is he able to, just like look at Wiki, when he had the issue with Atiku and Towa, you know Wiki start organizing fantastic five governors of independent states. Wiki turned them to boys. They so Ankara together. So we mark in autumn, Enugu State Governor and Idajọ. Wiki was the class captain of all of these people. These are governors of executive governors of respective states. Wiki is likewise a governor. Do you know what the skill it takes? How he's able to galvanize these people together? Do you know what it means for people to bring Buhari? Form a path, compromise this, compromise that, threaten this propaganda, and they were able to remove Jonathan. You know, Buhari had 12 million votes for God's sake. Tinubu never had the kind of votes Buhari had. But Buhari could not pull anything. Because I've always said that Southern politicians are much more intelligent and much more better than Northern politicians.
Yes, everybody knows that now.
Check that. So when you look at the position of the North, look at the position of the South, we are in different levels. Now, US wanted to be a base. US wanted to be a base, military base. Northern Nigeria saying no, we don't want. Now Turkey is planning to be the base. They say the what? You can see hypocrisy. And US, Tinubu, you see the pressure. You should pray for Tinubu. I've said it. Nigeria, where Buhari take Nigeria to, we will understand in the future. Tinubu is helpless. I told you, Tinubu is a puppet when it comes to the US. They hold Tinubu for, let's not go that place. So I've been saying this for a very long time, and people really seem slow to really understand the body. We are not after Peter B becoming president. Okay, Peter B becomes president in the next 4 years. He acknowledges his agreement, gentleman agreement with the North, and not come back. So what is now the difference? If Peter B becomes president and nothing happens, now you start crying again, you go back to start crying. Instead of you to understand the root cause, root problem of Nigeria, why is it that since 1960 we have not been able to fix anything, single thing? Since 1960 we have not been able to infrastructure. People are not even talking about infrastructure. People are not talking about building new hospitals. People are not talking about building new schools. A government will build bridge. He will call the whole television station in Nigeria, the whole social media in Nigeria, what they call commission bridge. A government will do road 1 kilometer. He will call Pasuma, take Bedu, he will call Oliver the Coke. In this way, we are talking about AI. We are not even talking about even having some critical equipment, scan equipment, URI, scan equipment. That even there's some states that don't have URI. Hello? There's some states in Nigeria that don't have URI. Hello, I repeat again. They never build the hospital. The hospital is not functioning with the ordinary breathing. All those ones that they use for kidney transfusion and everything. MRI, sorry, I think MRI, yes, MRI, I believe. MRI, because I did an MRI just recently. I know I paid 108,000 for MRI. You seldom find it. We have, so when we talk about good governance, people think it's all this. So pray for your Tinubu. It is when Tinubu is not there, you not see your eyes will see your. Do you think that Tinubu does not want to stop insecurity? Do you think that Tinubu does not want to fix the economy? Do you think that they don't know that it is a difficult job? Do you think that they don't know that they are fighting forces? There are forces that don't want Nigeria to even breathe. They don't want anything good for Nigeria. There are forces that are like that. They are existing. Do you think it is their wish that Nigeria will just be in the same state? What is the essence? Okay, the military want to overthrow Tinubu. Why? And you ask them, why do you want to overthrow? Under Buhari, that people were answers military no overthrow. Answers. They brought in palliative for people. Your leaders, these are leaders they promise you good road. They hold the palliatives. They don't overthrow Buhari's government. Recession like 2 or 3 times. Buhari took us to recession. They don't overthrow Buhari's government. Now they understand now it is recession. They need to understand that under Tinubu it is good to do protest. But under Buhari, protest is haram. We should not do protest too. You can see the mindset of these people. We have said it in research here today. I dress like a man, I will see dressed like a man. Somebody said that I am Lagos Igbo, I'm not Igbo. Well, that is how you view it. But I'm much more a traditional person, if you know me, than all these ones you are saying. So everything boils to the fact that Southern Nigeria needs to wake up, open your eyes. Open your eyes. Even if you don't fight, if you fight, now your problem. I don't even say anybody, if you like, no fight, now your problem. When it is time to count scores, if you people don't get yourself together, and if you get that political power, you go hear them. You go hear them. So the talk was a Christian country.
Àwọn Yorùbá ohun tí mo mú wá fún wa nìyẹn. Ṣèdígbọ́ ẹjọ́ tí wọ́n dá àwọn tó fẹ́ dìtẹ̀ gbàjọba lọ́wọ́ bàbá Tinubu, ẹjọ́ tí wọ́n dá fún wọn òun ni mú wá bọ́ọ̀dù fún ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ BMI TV show. Ṣèdígbọ́ nǹkan tí àwọn náà bá rí lórí gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tá a gbọ́ yìí, ẹ jẹ́ ká rí lábẹ́ kọ́mẹ̀ntì. Ṣèdígbọ́ ẹ ṣé gan ni. Ó kọ́ tèmi yí padà BMI láìtàn ló kọ́ tèmi tí ògbé mọ̀ sí BMI TV show. Ṣèdígbọ́ ẹ ṣé gan ni. Mo kí gbogbo ẹni tí ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ wa. Ṣèdígbọ́ ojú tẹ̀bí wo ojú náà mi fọ́. bẹ́ẹ̀ ni etí tẹ̀ fi ń gbọ́ wa etí náà ò ní di ọwọ́ tí ẹ̀yin bá wa tẹ́lẹ̀ tẹ́ bá wa tẹ́lẹ̀ ọ̀fẹ́ ẹni bọ́ ọ̀nà pọ̀ mọ́ sí àwa lámọ̀ wá bẹ́ẹ̀ náà sì ni ẹ̀yin náà lámọ̀ dé bá láyọ̀ àti àlàáfíà.